Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I want to ask you guys a question. Now, why wasn't China Harbor Engineering Company put in charge of the CapEx road program? Why was China Harbor Engineering Company not put in charge of the Passage Fort Drive project? Now, the CapEx program is a $1 billion program. They're spending $13 billion to renovate 6 roads, 3 in Kingston, 3 in Portmore. And Passage Fort Drive is one of those roads in Portmore. Now, the project in Portmore is basically a fiasco. The National Works Agency is in charge of the project, and they gave the project to a local contractor. Now, the residents in Portmore are frustrated at the pace of the work because the project is, according to the article, I'm just going to read the article and then we discuss why a project of this magnitude, of this size, a project of such a busy road, why didn't they give it to China Harbor Engineering Company? Why do they keep giving these major road projects to local contractors? It is clear that residents are frustrated with the delayed completion of the National Works Agency's project on Passage Fort Drive. The promise of having the roadwork completed by September has not been met, and as October draws to a close, the ongoing disruptions are causing significant inconvenience. Delays in infrastructure projects can severely impact daily life, especially when it comes to access and road safety. Residents, as you noted, are right to demand that timely completion, as poor road conditions can negatively affect quality of life. The situation underscores the importance of accountability from government agencies like the NWA, which should provide clear communication regarding timelines and progress. If these concerns are brought to the attention of local representatives or through public forums, it may prompt faster action. So basically, again, a major road project given to a local contractor, and the project is delayed and it's causing great inconvenience for the residents. Does this sound familiar? It's the exact same thing that happened on the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. I am baffled. I don't know. Why don't they use China Harbor Engineering Company for these large projects? Guys, leave your comments in the section below. This is actually Constant Spring Road we're driving on today. This road was built by China Harbor Engineering Company. We will give you the footage of Passage Fort Drive one day in the week, so you can look out for that, but we're just giving you an update as to what's happening. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and leave your comments in the section below. What do you think? Why do they keep giving these large projects to local contractors? Alright guys, have a good day.